Hi folks, this is me again, Filipina MG Vlog. So for today's video guys, the three keys making your long distance relationship last. Number one is the communication is the key. Communication is the keystone of the successful relationship. And that especially true when you are in a long distance relationship. When you are physical present, when you are physical present with your partner, it's even more important that you are make time for them talking in the phone and the video call and chatting. Yes, communication is to help keep your connection alive and help feel close even when you are apart. Yes, guys, communication is very important for your relationship, because if we don't have communication, like say my ex-boyfriend before, that yes, maybe our relationship is like you cannot misunderstanding sometimes because you didn't have time to each other. Okay, trust is also very important in the relationship, but especially crucial in the long distance relationship. But especially is the most difficult is to be together with your partner all the time. Trusting or your partner means trusting that you're following through on what we say, that we will trusting their honestly to when they tell you something. Okay, trust is very important also. When you trust, we need to trust you and your partner each other. Patient. Patient is also the key to long distance relationship. It can be hard to not see your partner every day. It can be easy to become frustrated with how difficult it is. While this feeling, we are unnatural, they should influence your thinking about your relationship instead. So patient is the key also to long distance relationship. It can be work for you as your partner. So about your relationship, opportunity for you and your partner growing together, even when you are apart. Trust and communication are the part of making long distance relationship, but patience can help you love each other even more than when you're apart. You have a patient also, guys, but we need to long last as you and your partner, because patient also is the one of the key for, and also be a challenge when you are in long distance relationship. You might have tempted you know guys, when you are long distance relationship, that the temptation is we have in the beside or something like that. All right, so your partner doing a little things like making true gift, calling just because, or the sign of affection that help keep your connection strong. So making things there, guys, a little things making true gift, like when you give your partner like a gift or a flower, chocolate, a sign of affection that can help your connection will be strong. So it can help the connection to will be strong in your relationship. Great way, show love by surprising and your partner with a little love bombs. They call them, these are small gift gesture, even the small gift, guys. All right, make your partner feel like extra love, and they can really improve how well to connect even when you are apart for each other. The key of long distance relationship is making time for each other. Communication is the most important part of any relationship. That truly, when you live different cities, country, you don't have. Be honest. Be honest and be straightforward with each other. Honestly is important in the relationship, but especially important in the long distance relationship. Because you can see your partner and know how you are feeling without talking. So long distance relationship, guys, you know that you are feeling without talking. So yes, we need to talk each other in every single day. Honesty will tear apart of your relationship to make you sure you're always speaking honestly in mind. If something isn't right, then talk about with your partner. If something isn't right, guys, you need to talk to your partner. And then the next is the same goes to be something bothering you. Should never battle things because a long distance relationship require open communication. So long distance relationship, guys, you need to be open and communication. After all, good communication. The major relationships sends their easy way to connect the otherwise. So don't be afraid to tell your partner what you don't say each other often doesn't mean that you are failing if another should change, then better time. The way you stay, the way you keep in your mind how lucky you are to have found someone who make you happy, and don't let anything run into make every effort. And remember your partner and do nice things of them as often possible, even they are across in the ocean, different content. The last three, testing. Communication is the key that you need to make sure that you are actively communicating with each other. Includes a texting, phone, calls or Skype or Messenger or Facebook or Instagram, something like that. So never stop trying make that one. It can be hard, but it is worth it. All right, at the end of the day, it's worth it. And also, don't get into pattern the communicating in social media. If you are texting every day, that's great. But try to find sometimes every week is actually sit down and talk, video call, Skype. It's not easy necessarily seeing each other all the time. If you both, you can make effort to keeping and interesting, then your relationship will be much more likely succeed. Okay, guys, why you are doing it? Yes, long distance relationship are hard. Long distance relationship are hard work, but they are so worth it. But they're so worth it. It in the end. So it's so worth it at the end. You just need to make sure that both parties remember why they decided on long distance relationship instead. If instead just giving up because it to get difficult. So actually, guys, why I'm sharing with you this one? Because I've been experienced have a long distance relationship before, but it cannot work because we don't have communication, we don't have effort, we don't have patience. Yeah. So this is the three things, guys, that I will give you advice that you need to apply for these three things in your relationship. Because as for me, guys, my relationship cannot work because of the reason that we don't have time each other, and yes, very toxic relationship. So that's why, guys, so I will choose to be a self-free. Yes, because I don't want to stay that the relationship is very toxic. So yes, that's for today's video, guys, and thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. This is me, Filipina MG Vlog. No, my name is Mary Grace from Philippines. Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so that you will be updated for my next video. Bye.